My name is Allison Schnell, and I have been with Dean Dorton for approximately 3 years. We are using many applications within SafeSend to help us to automate our delivery of tax returns, forms for clients to sign, letters, and organizers. I was introduced to SafeSend when I started at the firm about 3 years ago. I was asked to become the software champion. We have software champions for all of our tax filing and tax applications, and SafeSend was already implemented at our firm, but we did not have a person that was truly a software champion and a SafeSend super user. I think the process that improved the most recently by using SafeSend is our paper filings. We recently implemented that in our Louisville office, and it has sped up the assembly process quite a bit, and it has assisted our clients who have access to printers and offices that can send their paper filings themselves, and has increased that efficiency both in our office and for our clients. I think the benefits of the SafeSend Suite are that they can go to one location and they can find their previous tax returns for the previous year. They can sign their 8879 for the current year, and they can upload their organizer and fill that in. So it's very helpful for our clients. I would definitely recommend the SafeSend Suite to other firms. It has brought us tremendous efficiencies in assembly with our clients and with our partners as well.